Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Media. How are you today? How is your English learning going? I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our lovely listeners. I'm really happy to be here with you today. Anna, you sound calm today. How are you feeling?
Thank you for asking. I feel relaxed today. Not too busy, not too tired, just calm. And when I feel calm, I enjoy talking in English more. How about you?
Oh, I feel good too. A little busy, but in a good way. You know, a normal day. Wake up, work, eat, rest. Anna, doesn't that sound like daily life?
Yes, that sounds very familiar. And that is interesting because daily life is what we will talk about today. But before that, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel confused when someone asks, "How was your day?"
Oh, yes, very often. I know my day, but my English feels stuck. I think too much, and then I say nothing. Anna, is that common for learners?
Very common. Many learners feel the same. They think, my life is simple, my English is simple, and they feel shy. But simple English is beautiful English. Have you ever felt shy like that?
Yes, I have, especially when talking about routine things. Morning, work, evening. It feels boring or too basic. But everyone has a routine, right?
Uh-huh, exactly. Everyone wakes up, everyone eats, everyone rests. Your daily routine is real life, and real life is the best English topic. If you feel nervous, you're not alone. There is nothing wrong with you.
Oh, that feels comforting. So today is not about being perfect. It's about being real. Anna, what are we focusing on today exactly?
Today's topic is how to talk about your daily routine. Not as a lesson, not as grammar, but as a real conversation. Something you can listen to, something you can repeat slowly, one small step at a time.
Wow, that sounds very friendly, because daily routine is something I already know. I don't need to imagine anything new. I just talk about my life. Does that help learners feel safer?
Yes, very safe. When the topic is familiar, your mind relaxes, your body relaxes, and your English comes out more naturally. Morning habits, work habits, evening habits, small moments, simple words. Have you noticed how calm that feels?
Yes, I can feel it now. Talking slowly, talking simply, no pressure, no fear of mistakes. So today, we will stay slow. We will talk like friends, and we will enjoy the sound of English, right?
Yes, exactly. No rushing, no judging, just everyday English, spoken gently. So please get comfortable, sit back, and listen with us. Your daily routine is already inside you. Now we just give it English words.
Now that we feel comfortable, let's stay with something very simple. Anna, when you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you usually do?
Oh, that's an easy one. I wake up slowly. I open my eyes. I stay in bed for a short moment. And I take a deep breath. Nothing special, just a normal morning. How about you?
Oh, I'm similar. I wake up, I check the time. Sometimes I feel sleepy. Sometimes I feel fresh. Then I get out of bed. Anna, is it okay to say things this simply?
Uh-huh. Yes, very okay. This is perfect English. Daily English. Real English. You don't need big words. You don't need long sentences. Simple actions are enough. Wake up. Get up. Brush your teeth. Do you think learners worry too much about sounding simple?
Oh, yes, I think so. Many learners think simple English is bad English, but when I listen to you, it sounds natural. It sounds clear. So, after you get out of bed, What do you usually do next?
Hmm. I usually go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. Very normal things. Then I feel more awake. My day slowly begins. Do you notice how calm this feels when we say it slowly?
Yes, it feels easy, not stressful. I can imagine the actions, so learners can listen and repeat without pressure. After the bathroom, do you have breakfast right away?
Oh, sometimes yes, sometimes no. Some days I feel hungry, some days I don't. But usually I have a light breakfast. Maybe bread, maybe fruit, nothing fancy. How about you in the morning?
Ah, I usually drink something first, water or coffee, then I eat a little and I feel ready for the day. Anna, is this how learners should talk about their routine?
Yes, exactly like this. Small steps, one action at a time. You don't need to explain everything. You just share your day. Morning actions are a great place to start. Do you think mornings are the easiest part to talk about?
Hmm, I think so, because mornings are similar for many people. Wake up, clean up, eat a little, so learners don't feel lost. They feel connected. Anna, what comes after the morning for you?
Oh, after the morning, I start my work. I prepare, I sit down, I focus. But we don't need to rush there yet. For now, just notice something. You are already speaking English, simple English, about your life, and it feels okay, doesn't it?
Yes, it really does. I don't feel afraid. I don't feel stuck. I just listen and repeat. So, learners at home, if you are listening now, you are doing great. Just stay with us and keep going slowly.
Ah, now that the morning feels clear, let's move gently forward in the day. After breakfast, after getting ready, many people start working or studying. Speaker 2, what does that part of the day look like for you?
Hmm. After breakfast, I usually prepare for work. I check my plan for the day, I think about what I need to do, then I begin. Sometimes I work at home, sometimes I go out. It depends. Is it okay to say it depends?
Aha, yes, of course. It depends is very natural English. Real life is not the same every day, and that is okay. Your routine can be flexible. You can say, usually I, or sometimes I. That sounds very natural. Do learners feel better when English feels flexible?
Oh, yes, they do, because they don't feel trapped. They don't need to memorize a perfect answer. They just talk about their real day. So, when you start working, what do you usually do first?
Hmm. I usually sit down and open my computer. I take a moment to get ready mentally. I don't rush. I look at my tasks one by one, slowly, and then I start working. How about you?
Ah, I'm similar. I like to start with something easy. That helps me feel confident. Then I move to harder things. Anna, is it okay to talk about feelings in a routine?
Yes, that is very good English. Daily routine is not only actions, it is also feelings. Feeling busy, feeling calm, feeling tired, feeling focused. These words make your routine sound alive. Do you feel tired sometimes during the day?
Oh, yes, definitely. Usually in the afternoon. My energy goes down. I feel a little slow. Sometimes I take a short break. Is it okay to include breaks when talking about routine?
Aha, yes. Breaks are part of real life. You can say, I take a break, I drink water, I walk a little. These are simple sentences, but they are very real and very useful. Do you feel better after a break?
Yes, much better. I feel fresh again. I can continue working. So when learners talk about their routine, they can talk about work and also rest. That feels balanced. Anna, do you think balance is important in daily routine?
Very important. Life is not only work, and English is not only studying. When you talk about both, your routine sounds natural, and you sound more confident. You don't need long stories, just honest moments. Do you notice how easy this conversation feels?
Yes, it feels smooth, not forced. I'm not searching for words too much. I'm just describing my day. So, learners listening now, if you feel this calm, that is good. That means your English is waking up.
Ah, that's a beautiful way to say it. Your English is waking up, little by little, with each sentence, with each breath. So keep listening, keep repeating softly, and stay with us as the day continues.
Hmm. As the day continues, time starts to move a little faster. Work happens. Tasks come and go. Anna, when your day is busy, how do you usually describe it in simple English?
Oh, I like to keep it very easy. I say, I work for a few hours. I answer messages. I focus on my work. I don't explain everything, just the main idea. Busy days do not need many words. Do you feel that way too?
Yes, I do. If I try to explain too much, I feel tired. But when I say it simply, it feels comfortable. So during the afternoon, what do you usually do to stay focused?
Hmm. I take short pauses. I stretch a little, I drink some water. Sometimes I look out the window. Small things help a lot. And these small things are easy to talk about in English. Do you do something similar?
Oh, yes. I also take small breaks. Sometimes I stand up. Sometimes I walk around. These moments help my body relax. Anna, should learners include these details when talking about routine?
Aha, yes. These details make your routine sound real, not perfect, not robotic, just human. You don't need to impress anyone, you just share your day. Do learners often feel pressure to sound interesting?
Yes, very often. They think their life is boring. But listening to you now, I realize boring is okay. Simple is okay. Real is okay. So as the afternoon ends, what usually happens next for you?
Oh, when work ends, I feel lighter. My shoulders relax. I start thinking about the evening. Dinner, rest, quiet time. The day slowly slows down. Do you feel that change too?
Yes, I really do. When work finishes, my mind feels free. I think about food, about rest, about going home. Anna, is evening a good time to practice English too?
Yes, if it feels comfortable. Evening English should be gentle. Listening, repeating softly, no heavy studying, just enjoying the sound. Just like now. Do you notice how calm the day feels at this time?
Yes, it feels peaceful. And talking about the day from morning to evening feels complete. I can imagine my own routine clearly. So learners listening now, you can do the same. You are already doing it, just by listening and repeating slowly.
Now the evening is here. The busy part of the day is over. The air feels quieter. Speaker 2, when you think about your evening, what do you usually do first?
Oh, when evening comes, the first thing I think about is food. I feel hungry. I prepare dinner. Or sometimes I buy something simple. Nothing special, just something warm. How about you, Anna?
Hmm, I feel the same. Dinner feels important. It helps me relax. I eat slowly, I enjoy the taste, and I let the day end gently. Do you usually eat alone or with someone?
Oh, it depends. Sometimes alone, sometimes with family. But even when I eat alone, I feel okay. It is quiet time. Is it okay to talk about feelings like this?
Uh-huh. Yes, very okay. Evening routines are full of feelings. Calm, relief, tired but peaceful. These words help your English feel warm. After dinner, what do you usually do?
After dinner, I like to rest. Sometimes I watch something. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just sit quietly. I don't rush. Anna, is it okay to say I do nothing?
Oh, yes. I do nothing is perfect English. Doing nothing is part of life. You can say, I relax, I rest, I enjoy quiet time. Simple words, very natural. Do learners feel nervous talking about quiet evenings?
Yes, they think it sounds boring. But listening now, boring sounds peaceful. It sounds healthy. So before sleeping, what is the last thing you usually do?
Hmm. Before sleep, I slow everything down. I turn off bright lights, I put my phone away, I get into bed, and I let my mind rest. This is a good time for slow listening. Do you feel calm before sleep too?
Oh yes, very calm. And talking about the full day like this, from morning to night, feels complete. It feels like a small story. Anna, do you think learners can use this as a model?
Uh-huh. Yes. This is your daily routine story. Not perfect, not exciting, but real. And real English is strong English. If you can talk about your day, you can talk about many things. And you are already doing it.
As the day comes to an end, everything feels slower, quieter. I hope everyone listening feels the same calm right now. Anna, before we say goodbye, what would you like to tell our listeners?
I want to say this very gently. You don't need big stories to speak good English. Your daily routine is enough. Your real life is enough. Every time you talk about your day, you are practicing English in a natural way, and that is very powerful.
Oh, that feels very kind. So even on quiet days or boring days, learners are still learning. They just need to listen and repeat and trust themselves. Is that right?
Uh-huh. Yes, exactly. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. English grows slowly, just like a day, from morning to night.
Wow, that is a beautiful way to end. Thank you for spending this calm time with us. Thank you for listening, and thank you for being patient with yourself.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you next time on Talk Media.